Hello there, and welcome back to the class of Environmental Awareness and Disaster Management. In today's session, we will be learning about natural resources and associated problems. In this session, we will be learning about land, water, food, forest, mineral and energy resources, their uses, etc. Water pollution. Water pollution means one or more substances have built up in the water to such an extent that they cause problems for animals or people. Water pollution almost always means that some damage has been done to an ocean, river, lake, or other water source. Causes of water pollution. Major causes of water pollution are 1. Sewage, 2. Wastewater, 3. Chemical waste, 4. Radioactive waste, 5. Plastics, 6. Alien species. Forest. A forest is a piece of land with many trees. Many animals need forests to live and survive. Forests are very important and grow in many places around the world. They are an ecosystem which includes many plants and animals. Temperature and rainfall are the two most important things for forests. A forest is a large area dominated by trees. Forests are the dominant terrestrial ecosystem on Earth and are distributed around the globe. Forest ecosystems can also be classified as follows: 1. Tropical forest, 2. Temperate forest, 3. Boreal forest. Forest pollution. Pollution in forest affects the forests in many different ways. It can affect animals and plants and mostly trees. If trees are destroyed and if trees are cut down, then it will become a major problem for human beings because we will not get oxygen. And fresh oxygen is very essential to survive. By destroying the forests and animal habitats and by cutting down trees, we end up with less oxygen. Causes of forest pollution. 1. Excessive extraction of forest products like timber, charcoal, or resin. 2. Road building. After it has been built, a road favors soil erosion. 3. Open mining. The area where extraction takes place is, of course, completely deforested, but also the surrounding zone suffers a degradation of its fauna and flora. 4. Expansion of urban areas. Mineral resource. A mineral is a natural substance with distinctive chemical and physical properties, composition, and atomic structure. Economic minerals are used in a wide range of applications related to construction, manufacturing, agriculture, and energy supply. It can be defined in broader terms as minerals, metals, rocks, and hydrocarbons, both solid and liquid, that are extracted from the earth by mining, quarrying, and pumping. The major environmental effects of mining. 1. Mining operations often pollute the atmosphere, surface waters, and groundwater. Rainwater seeping through spoil heaps may become heavily contaminated, acidic, or turbid, with potentially devastating effects on nearby streams and rivers. 2. Mining activity can cause a considerable loss of land because of chemical contamination, destruction of productive layers of the soil, and often permanent scarring of the land surface. The presence of old deep mines may cause the ground surface to subside in a vertical or horizontal direction. This may severely damage buildings, roads and farmland, as well as alter the surface drainage patterns. 4. Blasting and transport cause noise disturbance to local residents and to wildlife. 5. Extraction and transportation requires huge amounts of energy, which adds to impacts such as acid rain and global warming. Energy resource. An energy resource is something that can produce heat, power, life, move objects, or produce electricity. Matter that stores energy is called a fuel. Human energy consumption has grown steadily throughout human history. Early humans had modest energy requirements, mostly food and fuel for fires to cook and to keep warm. Energy resources are the opportunities which an area offers to generate electricity based on its natural conditions and circumstances. Some of these energy resources are obvious. An area might contain coal, oil, wood, or gas, but others, like renewable resources such as wind, solar, hydroelectric, and wave power, are not so obvious. They are based on the natural weather patterns and features of an area. What are the different sources of energy? Solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, hydrogen energy, tidal energy, wave energy, hydroelectric energy, biomass energy. After learning the above topics, we have completed our first unit. Thank you so much and see you again.